Okay, should I spend this money? Here's another question we often ask ourselves when we're in a position to make a purchase or buy something. So here's a workflow, a decision tree that can help make that decision for you more easily. So the first question you want to ask yourself on whether you should spend the money or not is, do I need this to survive? Because if you do, obviously survival is at the top of the hierarchy. So then yes, you need it. It's a need. Get it. It's for your survival. That's important. Get it. If the answer is no, then the next question you should ask yourself would be, will I use it more than once? Are you going to use it? Or it's just a one-time thing? If the answer is no, then don't buy it. You obviously don't need it. It's a one-time thing. You're just throwing the money away. If the answer is yes, you will use it more than once, then the last question you want to ask yourself is, will I care about this in 30 days? If it's not a need and you're not going to use it more than once, you obviously don't need it. But if you think you're going to use it more than once, are you really going to care in 30 days about this thing that you want to buy? Because if the answer is yes, that you will care about it, then guess what? It's okay to get it. This is a want, and you should have at least some percentage of your budget to get things you want. They're not needed for survival, but you want them, and you're going to get more use or they have value down the road. But if the answer is no, you are not going to care about this in 30 days, then you don't buy it. So again, here's an easy decision tree, a workflow to answer the question, should I spend this money? Do you need it to survive? If the answer is yes, get it. You need it. If the answer is no, are you going to use it more than once? If the answer is no, then you don't buy it. If you are going to use it more than once, are you going to care about this thing in 30 days? If you are going to care about it in 30 days as well, then it's a want. It's okay. Spend the money. Enjoy it. And if the answer is no, you don't need it. And it's not even a want because it's going to be gone the moment you buy it. And it's not going to have any value to, you're not going to care about it later. And you're not going to get even more than one use out of it. So there you go. There's a quick, easy decision tree to help you determine if you should spend this money anytime you come across a situation where you're asking that question. Be sure to subscribe and we'll talk to you next time.